Hey guys, my name's Marty and I'm going to make you one of my absolute all-time favourite dishes now. So to get started, you want to get yourself a lamb rack. When we're slicing our lamb, there's a tiny little joint in here and you just slide your knife into that joint, you end up with a beautiful lollipop. You want to sprinkle a tablespoon of celery salt, then we're going to go in with some chili flakes, and lastly we're going to go in with some dried oregano. Toss the meat together. You want to get a little bit of olive oil and literally throw them on, and in the space of 5 minutes these guys are ready to go. As long as you've got the barbecue super hot, because that's the key here. Get them cooked nicely on one side, flip them over, that is a hot barbecue. And we're going to get them off the barbecue, and this is one of the most important steps now, is to let the meat rest. Just going to give it a little season of salt, just a little bit of olive oil over the top. So I'm serving mine with a beautiful coleslaw of red cabbage, white cabbage, spring onion. I've grated in some apple in there for freshness, coriander, and because it's seasonal we've got some beautiful sweet corn in there as well. Perfect little handheld treat to go down the hatch on a hot summer's day.